I have Technika dishwasher that won't finish washing cycle. Just keeps going.
Hi there, and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. I will be assisting you with your question today. Is it running as soon as you apply power to the machine and not responding to any manual inputs at the control panel? Also, I want you to unplug it from the power point, not just switch off, and leave it for around 45 minutes and then retry a test wash from the beginning and see how it goes, please. Keep me posted. Thank you.
TDX20S, and yes, it is running as soon as power is on.
Hi Alan, if the pump is running straight away as soon as power is applied, then you have water in the overflow pan underneath the machine in the base of the cabinet, under the wash compartment. If you can't remove the front kick panel to access and sponge out the water that way, this is what you need to do. Disconnect the drain hose and inlet hose from underneath the sink and unplug the dishwasher power cord. Wind down the front legs and undo any screws around the trim panel securing the dishwasher to the cabinet, if fitted, and then pull the dishwasher forward out of the cabinet. Once you have it forward enough, tip the machine back to about 40 degrees and let the water trapped in the overflow pan underneath the wash compartment in the base escape out the back. Be ready with some old towels to catch and mop the water up with. Once you have done this, dry the back area of the machine and reinstall the dishwasher back into the kitchen cabinetry. As it was previously. Make sure the drain hose is high enough also, it needs to be at least half to 3/4 as high as the dishwasher cabinet. As soon as it comes out the back of the dishwasher also, open up the door and tighten every single screw you can see on the stainless steel panels inside, including the ones on the door and the rack support rollers, etc. etc. This usually only happens if there is a leak, or the machine overfills, which can happen on rare occasion. The above should get you out of trouble. If you have any further questions, even after rating, just ask, I am happy to answer them. Keep me posted also, please. Thank you. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 412118.05832049777.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.